Hi, today we're going to take a look at the mid-segment, or also known as the median of a trapezoid. So trapezoid, first off, what do we got going on here? We have a four-sided figure with one set of parallel lines. Now, if we had an isosceles trapezoid, these two legs would be the same. That's not necessarily the case here. So this leg and this leg are definitely different from each other. So our mid-segment, or median, cuts down through the middle of our trapezoid and goes from leg to leg. Now, the distance up and down, this distance and that distance are going to be exactly the same. It also takes our legs and it bisects them. It bisects our one leg, it bisects our second leg. These two pieces are the same, these two pieces are the same. Not necessarily the case with leg to leg because the total distance is going to be different. So anyways, come back over here. I have two trapezoids, 5 and 15. Basically, I just want to find the average. Just like finding the average of two test grades or quiz grades or something like that, I'm going to say 5 plus 15 divided by 2 is going to give us 20 over 2, which is just 10. Same thing could work over here. We could say 18 plus this divided by 2 equals that. Okay, so 18 plus y divided by 2 equals 12. Now we just got to do some math, some algebra. Cross multiply. 18 plus y equals 24 minus 18. And we are left with 6. All you're doing is finding the average of those two. Okay, what if we have a slightly more complicated picture? So here we have a trapezoid. Doesn't necessarily look like it, but this line and this line, those are our bases. They're both parallel to each other. So we have a mid-segment right here in the middle. I want to figure out what is that coordinate. Okay, so first thing we need to do is just basically find our mid-segments. We're going to find our midpoints. So our midpoint is going to be, we're going to take x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So here's our two coordinates. Let's figure it out. We're going to take our x's. We have negative 2 and 11. Negative 2 plus 11 divided by 2. And our y's. 4 plus 2 divided by 2, leaving us with 9 over 2, which is 4.5, 4.5. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And that is the location there. So all we have to do is just find the midpoint of those two, of that line. And that's using the mid-segment or the median of a trapezoid.